This structure is quite interesting. By heating an oil drum with fire, the water inside is brought to a boil, generating high-pressure steam. When the valve at the back is open, this high-pressure steam can be used to drive the turbine blades, causing them to rotate and converting the thermal energy into mechanical energy. The rotating turbine is then connected to a generator via a belt, converting the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Finally, by connecting the generated electricity to a water pump, the well water can be pumped up. Interestingly, the turbine blades can be modified into various shapes and designs. For instance, there's a trumpet-shaped one, and the driving mechanism can take on different forms as well, such as a pedal-powered setup where someone needs to continuously pedal to maintain the rotation. Another option is a spring-driven wheel, which only requires an initial spin to then continue rotating for an extended period due to the pull of the springs on either side. This concept is analogous to wind and hydroelectric power generation, where kinetic energy from wind or water is converted into mechanical energy and then into electrical energy.